YouTube world, what's going on? Today we got some back. We're gonna do some biceps. So we're gonna start off with some reverse bent over rows. 12 to 15, no, 10 to 12. But the form is still gonna be intact. Just gotta be careful with our backs. So I'm staying inside the rack for safety, of course, because I don't like to pick up the weight from the bottom. Come on. So this is what, 130, no, 135, 45, 145. I'm gonna stay with 145 just because I don't want to compromise my lower back. But I'm doing 4 sets, so maybe on the third I'll push it to 10 more pounds. But you don't got to go heavy on these. Again, that's ego lifting. Just do what you can. Make sure the form is good. All right, I decided to just go ahead right into 155. That 145 wasn't that bad. Whew. All right, let's get it. I've been feeling good. I've been feeling good with my lifts lately. Injury free, knock on wood. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with 155 for sure. If I try to push a 185, the form's gonna be off. So when you're doing the rows, just make sure you're not, when you're barbell rowing, just make sure you're not rowing it this way. Then you're just defeating the purpose. Yeah, we staying with that weight. I was gonna go up to 160 on the third set, but nah. We're gonna keep it honest, gonna keep it humbled. 155. Let's get it. Damn. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes when I do bent over rows, I get a little lightheaded. Especially trying to breathe properly. I hold my breath a lot. Not a bad set. I'll go to 160 on the last round for y'all. 160, and that's it. But not bad. Not bad at all. 160 for the last one. And yeah, maybe only be half a pound increase, but it's still effective. Those little weights creep up on you. But I don't really care about lifting extremely heavy anymore. It's just about the quality, man. And looking good, of course. Come on. 10 on that last one. All right, so we're gonna do some dumbbell rows. 10 or 12 each arm. I'm gonna go a little heavy, so I got my straps on. I'm gonna go up to 110, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Maybe push for 120 on the last set. But here's the thing, what I notice when I'm doing rows, or anybody, when you're rowing, you tend to start pulling with your lower back instead of actually doing the row itself. So just be mindful of the weights. Y'all hear me say that a lot, but you know, safety first. Let's get it. 110 first. Wrap them up. Here we go. Whew. Switch. Whew. Come on. Whew. Damn. So we got 3 more sets. I'm gonna show y'all only 2 because when you're doing unilateral work, it takes longer. I don't want to waste y'all time. Y'all probably got things to do. Y'all busy. That's why I'm getting my things done in the mornings. I'm not a morning person. I get my lifting done before I work. I used to work out after work, like at 8 o'clock, but you get older, that changes. All right, so we're moving on, but I'm gonna stay with the 110 on that next set. Round 2s are usually the best, because you know that first set when you're trying to get warmed up, your muscles still feel cold. So this should be a better set for me. Hate these straps, man. Sometimes when you're doing strap work, I don't know why, maybe y'all have better luck with these, with the straps than I do, but sometimes I feel like the straps get stuck onto the dumbbells. Come on. Come on. Whew. Next side. Oh. Sorry if you take a little breather in between, or just use that time to use the straps to get a little bit longer of a break. Come on. There we go. Woo! All right, I just did 2 rounds of the rows. Like I told you before, I'm not gonna show you the next 2 sets because it would just take long. But after this, we're gonna go on to some cable pull downs, the U-ball grip, so it's gonna be wide. And I'm tired as hell. Whew. So yeah, hope y'all enjoying this, man. This is fun. It's a fun process. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, get started on that. Don't wait. I almost made that mistake. It's all right, you're gonna mess up. All right, we're gonna do some cable pull downs. It's gonna be a wider grip, but look at the attachment. It's the U-ball attachment. So don't go too heavy on these. Just rep out. I'm gonna go 12 or 15 on these. Good for the lats too, because you feel like it's almost like isolating your lats as opposed to just doing them with a straight ball for wide grip. I feel like you're getting more involved. But with the U-ball grip, I feel like I'm really getting a good focus on my lats. So we're gonna do 12 to 15. Weight doesn't have to be heavy. Now with that being said, that was easy for me. I'll go 20 pounds heavy on those, but not bad. Whew. I'm telling y'all, man, I've been feeling good in the gym lately. I'm not gonna, give credit to sleep because I still go to bed late, but I've been having some good workouts. I have been taking creatine. I think that's been making me feel good, giving me a little bit more energy in the gym. All right, so we're gonna be up 20 more pounds on this one, 130s. I got a good pump in my back right now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Oh yeah. I'm gonna stay there though. I don't want to go too heavy and then my form is compromised. Let's go. So I know what y'all thinking. Like, damn, why you got two barbells set up? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some barbell curls, 12 to 15 reps, put it on the floor, drag the 225 out, and I'm gonna do some behind the back shrugs. So that's gonna be my quick finisher. You don't have to do it that way, but if you wanna give it a try, let me know what you think about those. So 15 to 20, 12 to 15 on the curls, about 20 reps on the behind the back shrugs. It's another good way, and I've done that in a previous video of mine a while back on one of my 3 favorite movements to do for my traps. Here's one of them. So let's start with the curls first. And you notice the weight is not heavy, 65 pounds for the first set. Oh, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No straps needed at all. Let me tell y'all a little secret with this when I'm done. It's not really a secret, it's more of a suggestion. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Woo! All right, here it goes. I don't really like to superset, like do a superset with a bicep into a trap work, into a shrug movement, because I feel like after you do the bicep movement or vice versa, it puts a lot of strain on the biceps and it feels like you're gonna pull it in a way. But I know my body, so I make sure that I'm able to perform the superset. So just when you're doing that, just make sure you're not going extremely heavy. I only got 65 pounds on the curls, and 225 for behind the back shrugs. We got 2 more rounds of that. I'm gonna start in the reverse order. Shrugs first. And no straps needed. Another good way to work out your forearms without doing forearm work itself. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo. I'm notorious for not using clips, so the weight slide off when I'm doing it. It's all right. All right, my good people, that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Show some love to the page. I'll see y'all next time. And of course, I'm gonna keep doing these videos for y'all. I enjoy it. It's fun. I love it. I love what I do. So have a good day. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see y'all next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out that website, stronglandfitness.com, for your merch. I got some online training. So yeah, that's it, y'all.